Hawak.
Alak.
Sa banda.
Ay, basta ba?
Oo.
Ano yun? Basta ba yan?
Palakol.
Ako ka ng tao niya.
Palakol.
Ako ni...
Palakol. Palakolero.
Ako pala ko ni Jesus.
Oo. Unang mahal.
Uy, basta ka na nakapokus natin.
Unang mahal.
Ikaw nga ini-interview. Para kami yung ano, to the hagod. Yung sa ano, closing one. O ikaw.
Ano po yun? Wala po alam dito. Ano po to? Ano po?
Hindi ko, niyaya lang po ako nung kaibigan ko. Nakala ko po kung kaibigan ko. Pangalan ko nga.
Hindi, pangalan.
Prince Chubby.
Anong hawak?
Unan. Santatero.
Kantatero.
Bob, pwede na hindi matapos ko yan.
Oo.
Ano naman sa akin?
Nakaka na nga.
Okay, gano'n.
Oo.
Pangalan.
Wow.
Wow. Hawak. Ding-ding. May pader. Oh. Hobby.
Wala eh.
Wala. Who's your first love?
First man.
Okay, next. Karubat. But who's your first love?
Ang aking drums.
Yeah.
Since 2 years pa ako. Yung muna 2 years pala.
Nag-sex kayo ng drums mo?
Hindi naman po first love sex, diba?
Okay, very good. Who's your first love? Basketball.
Tol, ba't naman mukha ako ano dito? Ikaw ba yan? Oo ko.
Ako yan.
Ba't ganyan mandilim?
Andrin. Who's your first love?
Dito sa yung basketball. Kala ko ako yung nakakita.
Basketball. 3-time MVP. Yun lang.
Yama?
Grand Slam MVP lang.
Sige, sige.
Grade 4, grade 5, grade 6.
Bakit elemental lang?
Yung wala mag-basketball. Kasi nung high school lang, hindi lang tumangkad eh.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Sayang.
Ay.
Ikaw.
Ako?
Achievements in life. Bukod sa nakilala mo kami.
Mutihan ng Ama 2004.
Okay, next. Bakit? Anong nangyari?
Kasi ako lang yung natangkad eh.
Ano ba, basketball team?
Solo.
Who's your love?
My love, my psyche.
My psyche. I'm not psyche. But, who do you love? What?
I think so.
Wow, why?
Because she's a fucker.
Wow.
Aroy!
Yeah. I hate Julian too. Because she
Abandoned our
she drums the drummer. Okay, thank you. No. You na. You hate or love Oliver the Clover?
I don't hate him. I pity for him. Tama ba?
Oh, you
I
pity
pity
for
him.
him? Is she pretty?
No.
You pretty for him? What? No. Just maintain the side view.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, there.
Now what?
Okay. Who do you love? Oliver or Bots?
Both.
Not the friend of Bots?
Who's friend of both?
Lot of them.
Be specific.
Be specific. Bongi Botor. So, are you still going to leave
What?
Philippines, Manila? Thank you.
Yes.
Are you going back?
After 1 year.
Wow. So, what do you impose?
What do you mean by impose?
Impose? When you're in the poste and then you stand there, you're imposed.
Yes.
She's leaving.
Yeah.
US.
About you, boss? Any last remark for Ate Pao going to US?
Good luck to your career. Wow.
Wow.
And God bless.
Oh.
Okay, me. Pao, it's nice to know you. Goodbye. Okay, okay. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm the very special person and I'm just Pao,
What?
size 8.5, 36 slow rise, large or medium. Yeah. But no matter what size, you'll occupy the biggest part
Oh.
of my muscles. You, any parting word for your friends in Dubai? Yeah. Bots first, bots.
I'll miss listening to the CD that we always play.
Hey, I want to say something.
Okay, okay, okay.
Will you please leave your MP3 here because I want to use it.
No, I will not.
So,
Because I need it.
need it to American.
Yes, I need it.
Oh,
Though things there are so expensive
parting words for Bongi.
for Kuya Bong.
Yeah.
Thank you for exposing me to the band world and for supporting me whenever I'm in pain and in trouble.
Wala bang bulak? Oo, sige, ilong. Nosebleed. Medics.
Ayun lang.
Yun lang.
Na I will miss punching his arm.
Wow.
Yes.
How about you, boss? Any parting words for...
If you go to US,
Nosebleed.
wala ko sinasabi. Be kind. Sana pagbalik mo, wag malaki ang ulo.
Yeah. She's girl. She has nine.
And, huwag ka man mag-asawa agad.
Yeah.
Sabi yung pagbalik niya kung pala meron anak na yun. Mas pangat naman nun.
Okay, now?
Ikaw.
No, you first.
What's your parting?
No, you first, then me.
Okay.
Any parting words for me?
The funniest joke is the one that really hurts.
Narinig ko na naman.
And it's very true.
So what's the joke?
You are.
I am the joke. When I was young,
Oh, what's your parting word?
this was all. Ako na ba? Yeah, Pao, thanks for letting me know I am the big joke in your life. Yeah, thanks.
Yun lang.
I don't know, but you always have the right words, the right time to hurt me.
Don't let me cry.
No, I won't. No. I will miss you. You always smile. Just always remember, Carla is the prince. And I'll always be the prince.
Ilang minutes ba? Ang haba naman yun.
Hindi, mamaya. Kaya na mga 2 days.
Hindi, 10 minutes.
Eh, kanina pa yung minutes na yun.
Hindi, pero thank you, Pao. Wala. Excuse na.
Wala na, mauubos na.
Thank you sa lahat. Tapos ingat ka sa States, lalo sa mga negro, grabe, guy. Ang lalaki noon, hindi mo kaya yung girl.